Ever faced the perplexing question, to Bitcoin or not? We've all been there. Caught in the tornado of Bitcoin, the digital superstar that's buzzing everywhere. It's the Brad Pitt of finance. Everyone yearns for it, but mastering it is a different game. Bitcoin isn't just about quick cash. It's a revolution, a fresh monetary perspective. But let's admit it's as complex as quantum physics or decoding why cats adore boxes. But worry not, my friends. If Bitcoin on Binance has left you puzzled, we've got your back. So what's the buzz about Binance? Is it a new dance move or a fancy French cheese? Well, I hate to break it to you, but it's neither. Binance is in fact the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as the hottest club in town. And no, I'm not talking about your local discotheque. This is the kind of club where Bitcoin, Ethereum, and their crypto cousins come to party. Now, why is Binance so popular? Well, imagine a club that not only lets you dance with the stars, but also offers you a chance to take one home. That's Binance for you. It's the place where you can trade, buy, or sell your favorite cryptocurrencies. And let's not forget, this club is open round the clock, because in the world of cryptocurrency, the party never stops. No velvet ropes, no bouncers, just you and your potential crypto mates. Now that we know Binance isn't a dance move, let's dive into the real groove. Buying Bitcoin on Binance. Buying Bitcoin on Binance isn't rocket science. It's more like a dance, the Bitcoin ballet, if you will. Now, like any good ballet, there's a routine, and it all begins with setting up an account. It's as easy as pirouetting over to Binance's website and clicking on that register button. Now here's where the dance gets a little more intricate. You'll need to provide some personal information. It's a bit like introducing yourself to your dance partner. They need to know you're not a robot or an identity thief, right? So you'll give them your email, create a password, and you're good to go. Well, almost. Next comes the verification step. This is where Binance checks to make sure you are who you say you are. It's like the dance master checking your form and posture before you take the stage. You'll need to upload some ID, like a driver's license or a passport, and a selfie. Binance takes its ballet very seriously, you see. Once you've passed the inspection, it's time for the warm-up depositing funds. Now, this is where the dance really starts. You can deposit money using a bank transfer, credit or debit card, or even another cryptocurrency if you're already a crypto connoisseur. This is like choosing your dance shoes. Some prefer the classic ballet slipper, while others might go for a jazz shoe. It's all about what suits your style and your needs. Once your funds are in your account, you're all set for the first act. You've done the stretches, mastered the ply, and now you're ready to take center stage. Remember, this is your show and you're in control. You decide when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold. And just like that, you've mastered the first part of the Bitcoin ballet. But hold on, the dance isn't over yet. Now that we've warmed up, it's time for the final act of our Bitcoin ballet, actually buying the Bitcoin. Imagine you're in a grand stadium. The crowd is roaring and you're about to score the final touchdown, or maybe you're in the 9th inning, bases loaded, ready to hit the home run. Well, folks, buying Bitcoin on Binance is your financial home run. Firstly, you've got to select the right trading pair. Think of it as choosing your dance partner for the grand finale. You don't want to be stuck with a dud, right? On the Binance app or website, you'll find a plethora of trading pairs. For our purpose, we're looking for BTC paired with your currency of choice. It could be USD, EUR, even BNB, Binance's own coin. So find your perfect pair and let's get to the next step. Now, it's time to set the stage, or in this case, the order. You can choose to buy Bitcoin at the current market price, or you can set your own price. It's like choosing the music for your final dance. Do you want to go with the flow or set your own rhythm? Once you've decided, enter your desired amount and hit Buy BTC. Next, watch as the magic unfolds. Your order will be matched with a seller, and the Bitcoin ballet will reach its crescendo. The transaction will occur, and the Bitcoin will be transferred to your Binance wallet. It's like the moment the ball hits the back of the net, or the bat connects with the ball for that home run. But remember, the game isn't over till the final whistle. Always double-check your wallet to ensure the Bitcoin has been transferred. It's the equivalent of the referee confirming the goal or the umpire calling the home run. And voila! You've not only mastered the Bitcoin ballet, but also secured your very own piece of the Bitcoin pie. Keep practicing this ballet, and who knows, you might just become the next Bitcoin ballerina or ballerino. So go on, take a bow, you've earned it. So now that you're a Bitcoin ballerina or a Bitcoin b-boy, what's next? Well, it's time to do a little dance with your newfound digital darling. You know, something like a waltz, but with wallets. Secure storage of your Bitcoin is crucial. Think of it as taking care of a newborn puppy. It needs a safe, warm place to sleep, away from any potential predators. And by predators, I mean hackers. But wait, there's more. Just like you wouldn't leave a potted plant in the corner and forget about it, you can't just buy Bitcoin and forget about it. Regular market monitoring is just as important. You have to water it, give it sunlight, and maybe even talk to it a little. Not that your Bitcoin will grow if you chat with it, but hey, who are we to judge your methods? Remember, buying Bitcoin is just the first step. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through your crypto journey. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more.